Is your room stuffy, with stagnant air? Stop relying on just opening a window. Natural ventilation has blind spots, especially during extreme heat or cold. Pollution, discomfort, lower efficiency. The Axial fan is your secret weapon. Axial fans, as the name suggests, move large volumes of air straight and fast. They create a pressure difference to force air exchange. When wind or temperature changes aren't enough, they step in immediately to ensure fresh air intake, instantly upgrading your indoor air quality and comfort. They're not just ventilators, they're multifunctional assistants. In factories and garages, they forcefully remove fumes and dust. They can also provide spot cooling for machines or specific areas to prevent overheating, especially in deep building interiors, enclosed rooms, or spaces with low ceilings. They completely eliminate ventilation dead zones. Even in data centers, they are crucial for preventing computer overheating and ensuring system stability. Don't choose randomly. Axial fans come in three main types: AC, DC, and EC. Choosing correctly saves energy and maximizes efficiency. We highly recommend the EC fan. It combines the best of AC and DC, with efficiency up to 75–90%. It saves up to 60% more energy than traditional AC fans, and is extremely quiet, perfect for noise-sensitive offices. Material matters too. For humid environments, choose stainless steel. Chemicals? Plastic blades. High heat? It must be special alloys. To summarize, you need to consider three factors: space size, airflow needs, and noise limits. Good design makes the system better. Match the fan height with the window height, and prevent air short-circuiting. Also, avoid these mistakes. Don't forget to seal ducts, don't ignore return vents, and remember to adjust fan speed. Maintenance is key to longevity. Wipe the blades often, regularly lubricate the bearings, and check bolts and electrical connections. This prevents efficiency loss and ensures a longer lifespan. The ultimate benefit: using Axial fans with natural ventilation can significantly lower your energy bills, create a healthier, more comfortable space. Turn your indoor environment from a health risk into a source of vitality. Looking to find the perfect EC or DC Axial fan for your building? DM us for a free consultation. Longwall experts will provide you with a complete solution from selection to installation and maintenance. Don't let bad air drag you down. Act now, upgrade your ventilation system, and enjoy fresh air 24/7.